Now, despite you thinking that Faceless YouTube channel does not require anything from you, well, it's kind of lie. You might not need that many equipments, you might not need cameras, microphones, lighting, studios, and etc. But you will need some things, and you will also need a lot of different software. So in this lecture, we're going to cover what you will actually need in order to start creating your first Faceless YouTube channel, or rather creating your first Faceless YouTube videos. Now, equipment-wise, all you'll need to do is a device where you will be editing your videos. Technically, it can be any device. It can be your phone, it can be your laptop, it can be your personal computer, anything that can run video editing software. If I would choose one, I would choose something more robust than a phone or a tablet. Yes, phone and tablet video editing apps have gone a really long way and are really powerful right now. But they still cannot go near full-fledged video editing software. Plus, it's much easier to work with different AI tools as well on a PC or on a laptop than on a tablet or a phone. So what I suggested to do is just have anything that can edit the videos. Now, this is hardware-wise. Hardware-wise, you really do not need anything else. And I really mean it. You really do not need anything else, because everything will be done on that computing device. Another thing that you will need, that we're gonna build, that we're gonna use to create a lot of different videos, is InVideo AI. InVideo AI is a service that allows you to create videos using AI. It includes script generation. It will actually generate script for you if you don't have one. Voice generation, which will basically speak the script that it will write, or it will even allow you to clone your own voice if you want to use that feature, of course. But since you want a Faceless YouTube channel, you probably don't want to use that. But if you want, you have that ability as well. But InVideo AI is not doing just that. It also creates videos for you. Basically, it searches different stock videos for you and adds it in your videos, including the premium stock videos. So basically, all you need to do is just explain everything to InVideo AI, what you want the final video to be, how you want it to be, or for what platforms that you want it to create, and it will create like 90% of the work for you. And in many cases, that's literally it. But if you not like the final result and want to add some of your own touches, so you can always download the video from there and edit it a little bit with the DaVinci Resolve. This is my go-to video editing software because it's absolutely free. As for graphics and thumbnail, the only real tool that you will need is any photo editing software. Like in your case, it can be something as simple as Canva, or if you're using on Mac, I recommend Pixelmator Pro, or you can go with Photoshop. And if you don't want any of these and want something that is absolutely free and as powerful, you can go with the Photo P, which is basically Photoshop but online and free. Now, speaking of tools and software, even though I said that the computer will be the best option to use, because of the power of an InVideo AI, you are actually not restricted with that as well. If you'll solely rely on an InVideo AI, which you absolutely can, you can go with only your smartphone. So basically, you'll need your smartphone, and well, if you want something quieter, like a quiet environment, you all need to do is just headphones. That's it. Yes, it is as simple as that. And you can actually try InVideo AI for absolutely free to see what it can create for you. And trust me, it creates some of the most amazing things that I've ever seen that requires almost no work from me. Just make sure that you review everything that InVideo AI will create for you. Even though this software actually makes quite a few mistakes, it will still make mistakes because this is a downside of any AI. Or it might be the downside of you not correctly explaining what you need. Don't worry, I'm not blaming you for anything. You just need to learn how to correctly explain to AI what you need to do, and it requires some time and effort. So what else you'll need? Well, that's basically it. We will also use some additional tools for SEO like vidIQ and TubeBuddy, but that's only after we're going to be done with the creation of the videos themselves. So now it comes to the moment of truth, and the important part is actual creation of the videos using InVideo AI. So I'm going to see you in the next section where we're going to be doing exactly that. So I'm going to see you there. Take care.